Wow, it is another beautiful time with me here on my channel, and we are looking at a new topic, LCM, which is lowest common multiple. Okay, so finding lowest common multiple of a set of numbers. Before we can do that, we need to know the multiples of those numbers. Okay, let us take 2 for example. So if you want to find the multiples of 2, it simply means you keep counting in 2's. So that is 2 plus 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20, and so on. Okay, all right, so now these are multiples of 2. Let us pick another number, 4. Okay, so let us find the multiples of 4. The multiples of 4 will be 4 plus 4, 8, 12, 16, 20, 24, 28, 32, and so on. Okay, so now with these multiples of 2 and 4 we have on the board, we can go ahead and find the lowest common multiple. But before we find the lowest common multiple, let us find the common among the multiples. So we have 4. 4 is common to both numbers. 8, 12, okay, 16, we have 20. These are the common multiples, which are what? 4, 8, 12, 16, and not and 20. Why? Because we can still get more. If we continue writing more multiples, we still get more common multiples. Okay, so now we can go ahead and find our LCM, that is the lowest among the common multiples. So the lowest will be 4. Okay, so that is how to find our what? LCM. Also, you may be asked to find the LCM of more than 2 numbers. You know, like what I have on the board here. These are 3 numbers, 4, 6, and 12. So to find the LCM of 4, 6, and 12, we first need to find their multiples. Then we bring out their common multiples. Then we pick the lowest among the common multiples. So let us do that now. So for 4 we have 4, 8, 12, 16, 20, 24, 28, 32, 36, and so on. For 6 we have 6, 12, 18, am I right? Yes, 24, 30, 36, 42, and so on. And for 12 we have 12, 24, 36, 48, and so on. Okay, so now at this point let us bring out the common multiples. The common multiples will be, we have 12, we have 24, we have 36. Okay, so that will be 12, 24, 36, and so on. And now we bring out the LCM, that is the lowest among the common multiples, and that will be 12. Alright, so that is how to find our LCM. Alright, so now let us look at another way of finding LCM using prime numbers to divide. So before we can go into that, we need to know what prime numbers are. What is a prime number? A prime number is a number that can only be divided by 1 and itself. That is, a prime number has just 2 factors, that is 1 and itself. So let us look at examples of prime numbers. Examples of prime numbers are 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13, 17, and so on. If you look at all these numbers, you can't divide them with another number without any remainder except 1 and itself. So these are our prime numbers. So these are the numbers you'll be using to divide when we are finding LCM. Okay, so don't forget our prime number. So let us find the LCM of 8 and 12. LCM of 8 and 12 using prime numbers to divide. So the first thing you do is to draw, since we are dealing with two numbers, you draw two lines. The first one and the second one, and draw another line this way. So you put 8 here and you put 12 here. So we start using our prime numbers to divide 8 and 12. So now picking the first number, which is 2. 2 can go in 8 4 times. 2 can go in 12 6 times. 2 can still go again, so you can still use the 2. 2 can go in 4, 2. 2 can go in 6, 3. 2 can still go in one of the numbers, so we can still use the 2. So 2 in 2, 1. 2 cannot divide 3. So because of that, the 3 will come down. That is, this prime number, which is this 2 we have here, cannot divide this 3. So the 3, we have to repeat it down here. So now, since we cannot use 2 again, because if you try to use 2 here again, 2 cannot divide 1, and 2 cannot divide 3. So the next prime number we use is 3. Then 3 in 1, the 1 comes down, since the 3 cannot divide the 1, and 3 in 3 is what? 1. So at this point we have 1 1 here. That means we are done. So we picked all these numbers. 2 times this 2 times this 2 times 3. So we go 2 times 2, 4. 4 times 2, 8. 8 times 3, which is what? 24. So the LCM of 24 is, the LCM of 8 and 12 is 24. So that is how to find the LCM of numbers using the prime numbers. So it is as simple as that. So